Tonight, our dreams to take to the skies in a Dreamliner might be a little closer.
Is that we will probably get a significant amount of the international operation up in the next financial year. It is dependent on the vaccine, but the news on the vaccine is looking really, really positive.
The hope of international travel comes with our dose of hope, which has arrived. 3 major companies have announced vaccines with success rates ranging from 70 to 95%. Our best bet, the Oxford vaccine. Early results suggest the standard 2 doses has a 70% efficacy rate, but when the vaccine was delivered in half a dose, then a full dose, it produced a 90% success rate.
AstraZeneca have taken on contracts to manufacture as many as 3 billion doses of this vaccine over the next 12 months, which would be absolutely extraordinary and fantastic. But if you could use the half-dose regime, that 3 billion would suddenly become 4.5 billion doses.
The American-based Pfizer and Moderna vaccines have had a 95% efficacy rate, but they require special storage and to be at bone-chilling temperatures, almost minus 70 degrees Celsius. And for us down under, transporting those frigid vaccines from Dubbo to Dunedoo could be difficult, which is why the Oxford vaccine, which in comparison only requires a balmy 2 to 8 degrees, is well suited for transport across our vast country. But Pfizer says they could still transport their minus 70 degree vaccine.
Pfizer have done some really clever work on what are, I guess Australians will call them eskies. They're very sophisticated eskies which require dry ice, and they actually last for 14 days. Even in a country the size of Australia, you can get anywhere much quicker than that.
The news of a jab is a drip of good news, with coronavirus cases climbing globally and the hopes of a pre-vaccine travel bubble all but burst. And the situation in the United States and Europe is deteriorating rapidly, making all but certain international travel will be grounded until the vaccine lifts off sometime next year, and you'll hear the words,
"Have a great flight."
Leo, the vaccine really is our golden ticket to international travel, but what will that look like? The CEO of Qantas, Alan Joyce, has said that they will have a policy of no jab, no fly, which means customers will need to prove they've been vaccinated for the coronavirus before they step on an international flight, either going out of Australia or returning home. Now, that raises big logistical questions. What will that proof look like? Will you be able to go to a GP and just get a doctor's note, or will there be a streamlined international approach to proving you've been vaccinated, say maybe getting a stamp in your passport? These are all questions still yet to be answered, but the good news tonight, Leo, international travel is certainly back on the cards for 2021, very likely indeed. So if you want to land on foreign soil next year, you're likely to do so.